Hey, welcome back everybody. We're always doing something different here in the shop. So today we're going to show you how to clean the embedded sawdust in your disc sander. We're going to use one of these. You can get these at Lowe's. It's like made like kind of like a rubbery type material. And what we're going to do is start this up, and we're going to clean the majority of this out to keep this nice and fresh so it keeps working. Without further ado, let's get started. Headphone users, you've been warned. And that's how that's done.